Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's Briham, and today I'm going to be attempting to straighten up this room in the next 5 minutes. This is our schoolroom and it is a mess. So let's get started. So if you're anything like me, when you see a mess like this, and sometimes much worse than this, it's very easy to get overwhelmed and kind of just keep putting it off and letting the mess get worse. But even if you just take 5 minutes and do what you can, it makes a difference. And you'll see how much of a difference it makes at the end of 5 minutes in this video. But yeah, if you struggle with depression, or if you struggle with anxiety like I do, the mess can easily overwhelm you. And so I personally just recommend setting a timer and doing what you can. The objective isn't to have a perfectly clean space. The objective is to just make it better than it was before, and it will make you feel better in turn. I already knew that I wasn't going to be able to pick up everything, but I think that sometimes something is better than nothing. All right guys, so this is the outcome of what 5 minutes can do. I am going to probably set a timer for another 5 more minutes just so I can sweep or vacuum and finish straightening up the desk. But yeah, it's amazing what can be done in 5 minutes. So set a timer and get going, and let me know in the comments below how much you were able to get done in just 5 minutes. See you next time. Bye.